Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play multiplayer in Plants vs. Zombies. We'll dive into the various games that offer cooperative and competitive modes, helping you understand where the action is. From teaming up with friends to battling it out against other players, there are several exciting options available. Get ready to explore the vibrant world of multiplayer Plants vs. Zombies and find your perfect match. Let's get started. Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare and its sequel offer robust multiplayer experiences. You can jump into massive online battles with up to 24 players in modes like Team Vanquish, where plants and zombies clash in intense firefights. Or try Gardens and Graveyards, an objective-based mode. For a cooperative challenge, team up with 3 friends to defend your garden against endless zombie waves in Garden Ops. It's fast-paced fun for everyone. Plants vs. Zombies Battle for Neighborville expands on the multiplayer fun with new characters and modes. This game also supports up to 24 players in its online battles, offering a fresh take on the plant vs. zombie conflict. You can explore expansive free-roam regions, completing challenges and encountering other players. Dive into modes like Turf Takeover or gather 3 friends for cooperative player vs. environment ops missions. It's a vibrant, action-packed experience. When choosing your Plants vs. Zombies multiplayer adventure, consider your preferred playstyle. Garden Warfare focuses on classic team-based shooter action with distinct classes. Battle for Neighborville offers more open-world elements, character customization, and a slightly different combat feel. Both games deliver exciting, chaotic fun with unique plant and zombie abilities. Whether you prefer intense battles or exploring vibrant worlds, there's a multiplayer option waiting for you. Enjoy the fight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.